Derek from Magnolia has a question about AC freeze.
Well, his keeps freezing up, Tom. Derek writes, told my 2005 evaporator coil is leaking and needs replacing for $4,000, or the whole system for $7,000. Should I replace the evaporator or upgrade the whole system so it uses the newer coolant? The system uses R22 right now, and they say that's the reason they're giving me such a high cost on this thing. Derek wants to know, does this seem right to you?
No. $4,000 for an evaporator, but a whole system for $7,000? Think about this. I just put a condensing coil in my house for $3,700. The evaporator coil was fine. Evaporator coil should be less than $2,000.
Okay.
So what they're doing is they're raising a price here to get him to do this.
I see.
And so you've got to be very
They're
careful.
narrowing the gap between one and the other.
That's
so
right.
It's an easier jump. I get it.
Right. And because a new system, if you did it all and you just took out the evaporator coil, would be 3/4 of the entire price. The evaporator coil is very inexpensive compared to the whole system because it's a non-moving system. It's just a evaporator coil. So no, you're dealing with the wrong people, period. You can get evaporator coils can go R410, R22. It has nothing to do with R22. It's 6 pounds. It's maybe $300 at the most. And I'm even exaggerating that in refrigerant costs. So just change the evaporator coil, but use a different company.
All right.
Especially 2005. Mine's 1997.
Geez, I think
It'll be fine.
who would you call for something like that? That's a stumper. Better
281. Okay. Absolute Comfort Air.
Okay.
Call them, and they'll keep that system running, but change your evaporator coil.
All right, there you go. Call Absolute Comfort, and they'll take care of you just
Yes.
like we do.
And you can say that, too,
When
you
you
know.
send questions, well, I know, but it means so much more to people when you say it, Tom.
Not really.
Nobody really cares what I think. They're watching for you, and you want to watch more of him, send us more questions. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. It's right there in the middle of the homepage. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live,
Ding.
or Sunday morning on Early Edition.